Hello, children. Today we will read the lesson chapter number 9 Sabina's composition. Get started. Work in pairs and spot the errors in these sentences. Circle them. Do you speak English fluently? It is not speaks. Speak. Every children in my class loves our class teacher. Instead of my, you will write down our. O-U-R. One of the guests is planning to arrive lately. Guest. The Kumars like to relax in their garden. Their, there, not there. After school on Thursdays, I goes for a swimming class. Goes नहीं होगा, go. Arjun's father gave him some advices. Advice, cut the S. How many mistakes did you spot? Mistakes, write S. Mrs. Mathur has an 8-year-old daughter. 8-year. I saw an elephant walking down the road. In place of A, an. Could I have 2 spoons of sugars in my milk? Sugar. Turn the page. Do you do your homework on your own or does someone help you? One day Sabina does her homework without even knowing it. How does that happen? Read it to find out. Section 1. Sabina came home from school one day with her eyes red and teary. What happened? Her mother asked as she hugged Sabina. I don't know what to do, Sabina cried. Our teacher said that we must all bring in a composition tomorrow morning. I can't write composition. So Sabina came home from school. She came home and she started crying. And mother asked, what happened? Mummy ne pucha, kya ho gaya? She said, Mama, teacher has told me to write an composition, but I can't write it. In school, I tried to write on 3 different topics, but see, I can't do it. Her mother took Sabina's notebook. Sabina had tried to write on the topics time, knowledge and freedom. This is what she had written. बोले मम्मी मैंने 3 टॉपिक में लिखा स्कूल में टाइम नॉलेज और फ्रीडम बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ इट इज़ नॉट गुड टाइम इज़ शॉर्ट वी शुड ऑल इम्प्रूव आवर टाइम नॉलेज इज़ अ वेरी यूजफुल थिंग फ्रीडम मस्ट बी यूज्ड वाइजली I can't think of another word to say about any of these topics, exclaimed Sabina. मुझे और पता नहीं चल रहा मैं कैसे लिखूं. I know I don't have any words. मेरे पास और words नहीं हैं. I shall have to go to school without a composition. Sabina, her mother asked, did the teacher ask you to write on these topics? No, mummy, she just suggested them. We can choose any topic we want. But it's so difficult to find a proper topic. You have done enough worrying, said Mummy. Next page. You did not begin correctly. You have been trying to write on subjects that you don't know much about. जिस टॉपिक के बारे में आप जानते नहीं हो आप उसके बारे में लिख रहे हो तो आपको मालूम नहीं है. But I just can't find a subject. Sabina's mother shook her head. Go and play in the garden. I will call you in half an hour. But my composition, began Sabina. Sabina's mother said, go and play in the garden. Afterwards, we will write a composition. But Sabina is worried. वो परेशान हो रही है. मम्मी मेरा composition. Don't think about your composition. अभी उसके बारे में मत सोचो. Have fun. मस्ती करो, said her mother. After half an hour, when her mother called her, Sabina looked fresh and happy. Now, said her mother, I want you to sit by the window with a sheet of paper and a pencil and write something about what you can see. फिर उसका खेल के आ गई घर. फिर मम्मी ने बोला एक पेज लो, शीट ऑफ पेपर लो, पेंसिल लो एंड सिट बिसाइड द विंडो. विंडो के बाजू में बैठो. बट माई कॉम्पोजिशन आस्क्ड सबीना, व्हेन विल आई बिगिन दैट. फिर उसने अपने मम्मी से पूछा मम्मी मेरा कंपोजिशन. नेवर माइंड योर कंपोजिशन वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट लेटर. कोई बात नहीं उसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करते हैं. Sabina knew that her mother always had a good reason for everything she said. So she took the paper and pencil and sat by the window. सबीना को पता था उसके मम्मी के पास कुछ ना कुछ उपाय रहता है, तो वो पेपर पेंसिल लेके विंडो के बाजू में बैठ गई. Sabina looked out and saw the western sky and some bright sunset clouds. जैसे ही वो विंडो के बाजू किनारे बैठी तो उसको ना वेस्टर्न स्काई दिखाई दिया और ब्राइट सनसेट होना, जब सूरज जब अस्त होता है ना, आसमान के कलर्स चेंज हो जाते हैं, वो भी उसको दिखाई दे रहा है. द कलरफुल क्लाउड्स वर देयर. व्हाट अ लवली सनसेट, शी एक्सक्लेम्ड. डोंट टेल मी, सेड हर मदर. जस्ट राइट. उसने मम्मी को बोला, देखो मम्मी कितना सुंदर सीनरी है, क्लाउड्स कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं. तो मम्मी सेड, मुझे नहीं बताओ, आप उसको लिखो. टर्न द पेज. Section 2. So Sabina began to write about the sunset. She described the orange and pink clouds. She wrote about the distant hills. वो जब खिड़की के बाजू में बैठी थी तो दूर में हिल्स मीन्स पहाड़ दिखाई दे रहा था, पर्वत दिखाई दे रहा था. द ट्रीज, द रिवर, द गार्डन एंड द बर्ड्स फ्लाइंग पास्ट द विंडो. As Sabina continued writing, she forgot all about the terrible composition. तो मम्मी ने उसको हिंट्स दे दिया था, तो उसने बाद कंपोजिशन के बारे में भूल गई. उसको जो जो दिखा वो सब लिखने लगी. She started writing. Soon her mother came up to her and asked, "Are you done? Have you finished it? Let's read your composition." Composition? exclaimed Sabina. थोड़ी देर बाद उसके मम्मी आई और आके पूछती है, चलो अभी हम लोग कंपोजिशन को पढ़ते हैं. तो सबीना इज सेइंग, मम्मी कंपोजिशन? यस, you told me not to think about my composition. I just had a nice time writing about what I could see from the window. I will read out what I wrote. मैंने तो कंपोजिशन नहीं लिखा, बट मैं विंडो के बाजू में बैठ के मुझे जो जो दिखाई दे रहा था मैं उसके बारे में लिखा हूँ. So Sabina began reading. अब मैं उसको पढ़ती हूँ. I am sitting on a low seat near the window and I can smell the sweet flowers in the garden. The sky is all bright with sunset. I can see purple, pink and golden. तो उसको जो जो दिखाई दिया है सीनरी वो उसको डिस्क्राइब की है. I do not think that anyone on earth has a paint box with such lovely colors in it. There is one cloud above the rest which looks like a ship sailing in the blue sea. I would like to sail on a cloud. मुझे भी क्लाउड में बादल में सेल करना है. If it would not make me dizzy. The green hills look as if they are wearing golden crowns. I can see a river far away. बहुत दूर मुझे एक नदी दिखाई दे रही है. It seems quite still, although I know it is running as fast as it can to get to the ocean. Next page. The birds are flying past the window to go home and take care of their little ones. Birds भी शाम हो गया, सब उड़ के अपने अपने घर जा रहे हैं. I am glad the birds are not afraid to live in our garden. Our garden is full of flowers like lilies and roses. Mummy calls this the month of roses. हमारा घर का बगीचा फूलों से भरा हुआ है. लिलीज, रोज. मम्मी बोलती है इस महीना रोज खिलते हैं. The sight from our window is very beautiful indeed. When she finished, Sabina's mother began clapping. जब उसने उसको पढ़ के सुना दिया मम्मी को, मम्मी started clapping, clap करने लगी. That's a lovely composition. A composition? exclaimed Sabina. Is that a composition? मम्मी ये composition है क्या? Yes, Sabina, and a very good one, replied her mother. But it doesn't even have a subject, said Sabina. मम्मी इसका तो कोई subject नहीं है. We can find one for it, continued her mother. Haven't you written about the beauty of nature? आपने प्रकृति के बारे में आप व्याख्या नहीं किए हैं? Oh yes, exclaimed Sabina. You see, her mother explained. It is easy to write if you have something interesting to write about. The next morning, as Sabina left for school, she gave her mother a kiss and said, "Isn't it strange that I wrote such a lovely composition without knowing it?" Thank you, and read the lesson.